as we turn towards a period of practice, noticing how you might be able to best support yourself in this moment. Perhaps a gentle adjustment, the position of the body, lying down, seated, standing. Something that you can offer yourself in this moment to find a little bit more support, to care for yourself right here, right now. And in our practice, we're going to be inviting our imagination to explore and create, to visualize. And so, if it feels interesting, we'll begin by sensing the breath. Just noticing the gentle inhale as the air falls into the lungs, and the exhale as the air softly releases to the world around. The sensations and quality of the breath, maybe the sound or the temperature of the inhale, this gentle expansion outward, and the sound, the texture of the exhale as the body softens into the surface below. And if it feels interesting, on the next inhale, you could imagine the inhale as a color of light gently flowing into the body. And as you exhale, this color of light softly releasing outward. As you inhale, perhaps it's a healing color of light inward into the center of the body, and as you exhale, this light grows brighter in every direction, above, below, beside. With every inhale, this healing color of light filling the body. And with every exhale, growing brighter like an ember in a fire when you blow on it. As you inhale this color of light, noticing sensations, emotions, thoughts, and images that co-arise. And as you exhale and release this sensations and images, thoughts that accompany the exhale. You might notice the quality of the light, the texture, the shade, anything at all. With every exhale, this light expanding outward in every direction, above, below, beside. Perhaps noticing, is there anything else your imagination would like to invite in? Attuning to the breath and this healing color of light. And anything else at all. All of you is welcome here. And you're welcome to rest here as long as you like, until you feel complete with this visualization. And whenever that time comes, resting back, taking a moment in stillness to notice what you notice. At the end of this experience, what do you now know is true? We'll close with an intentional inhale, the whole body expanding, and exhale, offering it back to the world around. Noticing when and how the body would like to gently transition into the rest of your day, taking all the time you want. Thank you for your presence and your practice.